Good morning to everyone. In our last lecture, we have seen what is gasification. Gasification product is a syngas. What is the constituent in a syngas? And today's topic, we have seen the pyrolysis process. In that thermochemical conversion, pyrolysis is the main role of gasification. In this, firstly, we have seen definition of pyrolysis, the thermal decomposition of carbonous material in the absence of oxygen. Every organic material which contain a carbon, in that thermal decomposition is occur in the absence of oxygen. It's called as pyrolysis. Then byproducts of pyrolysis is a gas. In that gas, non-condensable gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, these are the byproducts of pyrolysis. And solid byproducts, in this mixture of inorganic compounds, that means ash and carbonous material, it means that a charcoal and ash product, liquid product of water and organic compound known as biooil recovered from a biomass, which is a byproducts of pyrolysis. In this pyrolysis, there are three stages: slow pyrolysis, flash pyrolysis, and fast pyrolysis. Slow pyrolysis, that means carbonization. In this carbonization process, charcoal is the carbonous residue obtained from heating biomass under oxygen starved condition. Charcoal word origin, the making of coal. Geological process that make coal are quite different from those that produce charcoal, and properties are quite different. Charcoal contains 65% to 90% carbon, with the balance being volatile matter and mineral. Ash matter. In this image, we have seen a traditional method of charcoal heat drying weight basis for different kind. Next one is a fast pyrolysis. In this, rapid thermal decomposition of organic compound in the absence of oxygen to produce predominantly liquid product, it's called as a fast pyrolysis. That means rapidly increasing the temperature for decomposition of organic compound in the absence of oxygen is happen, and their byproducts is a liquid byproduct which is called as biooil, is the product of fast pyrolysis. Fast pyrolysis, drying feedstock is less than 10%, small particle is less than 3 mm. Moderate temperature of fast pyrolysis is 400 to 500 degrees Celsius. Short residence time 0.5 to 2 seconds. Rapid quenching at the end of the process typically yields Oil 60 to 70%, char is 12 to 15%, gas is 13 to 25%, is the typical yield of fast pyrolysis. Fast pyrolysis product is a bio oil, and from fast pyrolysis is a low viscosity oil and dark in color, brown fluid with up to 50 to 20. Next, application of bio oil is a stationary power, commodity chemicals, transportation of fuels are the applications of this bio oil. And next one is a biochar is the process of carbonous residue from pyrolysis of biomass. Yields range from 5 to 40% of biomass depending upon the process condition, fine porous structure, several potential application. The most intriguing being dual as a soil ambient and carbon sequestration agents. Here, these are the pyrolysis product we have seen in this lecture, which is bio oil, biochar, and some gases are the pyrolysis product we are seen